Hi, welcome to this video. It's all about trading Forex without indicators. Is it a good way to trade? It's certainly a simple way to trade. And I've always maintained that simple systems work very well in Forex trading. And I'll give you an example just before we go into price action trading in a bit more detail about how effective using a trading system without indicators can be. Give you a successful trading system right now. You might have seen it in some of my other videos. It's this. Buy a 4-week high, hold that position until a 4-week low is hit, then reverse to a short, then just keep reversing between 4-week highs and lows. It sounds incredibly simple, so simple in fact that many traders don't think that it makes money. It makes money. Go and test it for yourself. It's from Richard Donchip, one of the great technical analysis, and it's probably the simplest price action trading system out there that you can get, and it works, okay? So it just shows you how simple a system can work on price action. Now, when I go around online, I see lots of price action systems. And most of them don't work, but that's true of any type of trading, okay? I think if you're going to use price action trading systems, the real key is to basically you have a very defined entry, okay? But the real key is where you place your stop loss. When I look at most price action trading systems, I can see the entry looks fairly logical, but the stop loss certainly isn't logical. And I think you've just got to make sure that if you're trading pure price action, make sure you're trading longer term time frames, and also you're giving room for the market to breathe to your stop loss. Don't try and have your stop loss too close. And I think price action trading, I don't see anything wrong with trading without indicators. But where I would actually comment on price action traders and what they say is they say that it's superior to trading with indicators. But I just cannot see why that is true. There's no question that trading indicators have their place in Forex trading. And you can have a very simple trading system with indicators as well. And I think that the real benefit of using indicators is, you can use indicators for volatility, so you know how volatile the price action is. You can see it graphically, which I think is a key thing to know when you're trading. And also, you can judge momentum, how overbought or how oversold a market is with various momentum indicators. And I'm a huge fan of trading divergence, okay? So I think if you use indicators in the right way, you don't have to make your system complicated, but you can get a deeper understanding of volatility and how overbought or oversold a market is, which will enable you to filter your trades better. So I think it comes down to personal choice. There are price action trading systems that make money, and I've given you one already, which is the 4-week rule. My own personal view is that I like price action, but I also like to know the volatility of the market and how overbought and oversold it is. And I'm not going to get that from price action. So by using some indicators that are very simple, I can actually get a deeper insight into that chart. In Forex trading, there are many different ways to make money. Trading without indicators, you can trade with indicators. But I think the one thing I would say, whichever type of trading strategy you use, the real key is that you've learnt it, you understand its trading edge, i.e. why it's going to make money longer term, and you've also thought out where your stop loss should go. So you spend as much time on your money management or exit rules as on your entry rules. I think many traders actually just don't pay enough attention to exit. It's all about entry. Exit is far more important in my view. Stay with those trades, but you've also got to protect yourself. Okay, so you've got to give room to your stop so you don't get stopped out of the herd, and give yourself enough protection so you can carry on through those inevitable drawdown periods with discipline. So there is no best way to trade Forex. I think price action strategies can work. I think indicators in a strategy can work as well. And as you can gather, I'm in favour of using indicators to back up the price action. So thank you very much for watching this short video on how to trade Forex without indicators. Take care and have a good day.